Even if it's not clear why we hiccup, there are a lot of ways to set them off. Everything from health conditions to medications and even changes in the environment can trigger hiccups. A few common hiccup culprits include 1. Eating a large meal. 2. Eating too fast. 3. Drinking carbonated beverages or alcohol. 4. Stress, feeling excited or nervous. 5. Chewing gum or sucking on hard candy. 6. Irritation of the epiglottis, acid reflux. 7. Drastic changes in temperature. 8. Irritation of the vagus or phrenic nerves.